Our unbeatable Dyness, Trina and Antai package is in stock and ready for pickup today. We've locked in stable supply through 2026, so you can schedule installs with confidence, no delays. So what's in the package? Starting with the solar panel,
Trina, 440 watts.
22% efficiency, Dual-Glass TOPCon panel. Lightweight 21 kilograms and 25-year product warranty. It is a premium product that a customer will trust. And paired with Dyness Cygni battery, built for safety and simplicity. It is IP66 rated for outdoor durability, featuring a fire protection, which is an aerosol extinguisher that activates in only 5 seconds. The Dyness Cygni battery delivers 15.36 kilowatt-hour with an inverter of 10 kilowatt, and it scales up to 46 kilowatt-hour. Installation is effortless with plug-and-play design and one-click commissioning. Combine Trina panels, Dyness Cygni storage, and Antai racking, and then you have an unbeatable package with really interesting value. Stock is available right now. Contact your account manager for this unbeatable package or check our website under the promotion tab.